Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to set up multiple brands and use them while creating signature requests. Branding provides a distinct identity for a company, provides trust, and facilitates marketing efforts. Setting up multiple brands in an eSignature application can be beneficial when a company manages several product lines or operates in different markets. This allows for brand consistency and customization in the signing process. To set up multiple brands, a paid account is required. With the free account, you can set up only one brand. Imagine you work for a multinational company dealing with various brands. They often send contracts for signatures using different brand identities. To ensure brand consistency and a personalized touch, they set up multiple brands in their BoldSign account. For example, they already have two brands in hand, CubeFlakes and Smashing Mail. And now they need a third brand. Let me guide you through adding a third brand. I first log into my BoldSign account and click Settings, which displays a drop-down. I then select the branding option. On the branding page, you can see the existing new brands. To create a new one, I click Create New Brand, which directs me to the Create New Brand page. In the brand name section, I enter the new brand name as Bite Splash. I then upload the brand logo. Currently, I am not changing anything else and saving the brand. Now, the third brand has been successfully added. The CubeFlakes brand is set as default already. If I need to change it to another brand, I can click on the context menu and change it. The new brand will be immediately set as default. Remember, only one brand can be set to default at a time. To edit any brand, I click the particular brand's context menu, which then displays a list of options. I click the Edit option that directs me to the Edit Brand page. Here I can make all the required changes to the brand, and then click Save Changes. The changes will take place immediately. If I stop using any of the brands in the future, I can delete it using the context menu. Click on the context menu of the specified brand and select the Delete option. The brand is deleted permanently from the company and won't be available. I could also copy the brand ID from the context menu. Now that I have created and set up multiple brands, let me show you how to use them when sending out documents. I click on Create New and select Create New Document. On the document preparation page, I browse the document from my computer by clicking the Browse button. I then enter the required recipient's details and scroll down the document to the Document Settings section. Here the default brand is shown. I then click the drop-down to the Select Brand option that displays all three brands. I can then select the desired brand that I want to use in this document from the drop-down list. In this case, I click the newly created brand and click Next. The brand selected is going to be reflected on the signer's side. On the configuration page, I drag and drop the signature and the date signed field and click Send. The document has been sent successfully. On the signer's side, an email notification has been received to notify the signer of the document sent for signature. Here is how the brand appears on the email display from the signer's side. Likewise, the brand also appears on the document sent for signing. This is all about setting up multiple brands and using them for signature requests. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.